Hello, I had a little problems with recording of my screen last session, so I'll give you this video with repeating of roasting your dashboards and with roasting other dashboards that I didn't touch during the day session. Let me share my screen. Recording is on. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's repeat. I'll try to send you all marks today about your previous tasks in one file, maybe Google Sheet, maybe Excel. I'm not sure what it will be better with our situation with Teams. So don't worry, we'll got everything. As for now, let's check this first dashboard. It's quite stylish with beautiful colors, but for dashboard, it's too much color. We have a background color here and the background color near diagram cards too. So it's like blue on blue, and the data is not so bright here. The background is brighter. So it's better to work with white color and then little by little to add accent colors and design elements. So please don't clutter your dashboards. We have shadows here, it's a little too much too, and borders. So on one KPI card, we have like three data visualization visual attributes that highlighted the background color, the border, and the shadow. It's okay to use one, but careful, but not use all three, for example. Okay, I love nice KPI cards here and nice grid of this dashboard. Beautiful map. Somehow it's orange color here, but it's not a big problem. Oh, great color formatting. I hope it's interactive. Charts are quite nice. Maybe you could remove this axis. I'm not sure this one is useful, but it looks nice. Maybe I'll remove one digit from this data label. I think the only percentage will be enough. And maybe I will put my legend near the slices because we have kind of short elements name and it looks better. But even now it looks okay. Next one, I love the animals here. I repeat it again. Really nice design because we have a filter on the left block, but the dashboard is like independent element, so it don't the filter didn't take attention of reader from this report. Okay, let's check it. Nice titles. Yes, I have several marks here because I don't know what these rounds means. I mean, I see the digit inside, but I don't know, is it city or is it state? What is it? What city is it? We don't have data labels. It's important to show data labels because without them, we just don't understand what we're seeing here. Okay, this chart, it will be better to remove diagonal text. Maybe you could invent shorten month names like 3 letters. Maybe make not so bright and not so thick the line of discount. And why sum of discount? Because it's not really great idea to sum all discounts we have. Try average. I think it will have more sense. Think about this axis because maybe think about millions because 0,4 is just too much elements. Quite nice bar charts. Maybe you could remove this axis at all. And I'd love to see some digits here because now we have only text elements and here we could have only digits. It's nice to have and the name of category and the data label with some digits too. So that's quite nice, quite beautiful design. I think I mentioned several problems. And yes, it's important to add some context to the KPI cards. I hope you've got the idea with color formatting of text elements. There are complex cards where already they have inside some sparkline or some variables additional. So, but it's okay if you know how to create them. So simple, just adding little KPI card with transparent background. Okay, this one, we have some problem with the grid here and empty spaces. Somehow, why? We could just make them wider, the elements. You could use this type of chart. Also, you could use area chart. It looks beautiful sometimes. It's not not an important moment though. So with the context, I hope I see the color formatting here, so I hope you understand how to create the same with the text, with the digit. So it's quite nice. We have settings to make this text bigger, so you won't have these 3 dots. Just go to the X settings and you'll find it. In percentage, you'll just need to move. Okay, this one is quite nice. I see nice grid here. A little problem with a color, it's too light. And it's kind of nice formatted. Let's go to the next row. This one, nice grid too. Let me check. Yes, I think so. Maybe too narrow somewhere here, but it's quite okay. Color formatting, nice, nice. I love it. No clutter, beautiful. This one, yes, there are problems with digit. Let me show how to create this the digit more beautiful. I'll just open someone's dashboard and get some data, profit, for example, KPI card. When I'm going to settings, here we could see auto display units. Let's choose no. And when we check our variable, we go to this menu and we could push this button. This is it. It was already pushed, but now you could see there is no padding between digits. And now when we touch this comma, we will add it. So make your digits more beautiful, even in data block. Remove digits after comma, so it will be nice. If your digit is more long than 6 elements, think about units, maybe thousands, maybe millions. You could create a new measure where you just dividing your value by 1,000, for example. Okay, let's go for next one. Yes, it was made at web version and it has limited function. So I'll only will tell about that the KPI level is like too big. It's like 1/3 of the dashboard. It's too much. You could make it lesser. And the grid here is somehow broken too. Quite a nice aerial chart, but vertical text is too much. Try to use horizontal text. It's easier to read. You could remove some clutter here, leave the legend, but make it more understandable without so many text here, maybe thousands. And I couldn't see axis name, so just use title. Quite nice bar chart here. Maybe it will be cool to add data labels, so we could remove this quite a useless axis and axis name. We don't need it because we already have ship mode here, so why we need it here? The same. Think about each text and maybe could I remove it or not? Because here, if you remove text labels, there will be a problem. You won't understand the data. But if you remove some doubling information, it will be nice. It's great with formatting, color formatting. I said about axis, but yes, web version have limited function with formatting, so it's okay. I'll recommend make to align formatting between similar elements. Now they look like in different style, different colors, different formatting, and different even type of card. And now we have filter in the end. And we don't have title of dashboard. It's important. I don't know what we're doing here. Okay, but it's quite nice that you tried it. Okay, set dashboard. We have empty space here. I don't understand why it's so much space. But here's some grid, quite okay. Little cards without context. I hope you know how to create them, and I see you know how to make color formatting. About clutter, I think here is okay. We need the access here if you don't use labels. But if you use labels, you could remove access. Think about it always. Don't show and labels and access like here. So just kill it. Again, repeating. It's a common mistake, so just remember it. I will repeat it again and again, so you will remember it. I hope so. So axis, clutter, quite nice. I think it will be nice to make your text bigger because we have really big KPI cards, but these texts are so little, it's hard to read them. Use like 12, not less, if you could. This one is quite nice. Nice grid, maybe diagonal text. I'll remove it. No clutter, it's quite beautiful. Only here somehow we have little axis. Nice, beautiful grid. Let's go to the next row. Okay, beautiful title. Nice filter with buttons. We have several options with filters at Power BI, like list, buttons, and something more. Beautiful cards with changes, nice. No clutter. Beautiful, great, thank you. This one have problems with grid. Check, I have some zigzag here. Nice with color formatting, great. Quite a clean diagrams, thank you. So it's quite, I hope there is a color formatting here, but I couldn't see it. I hope it's okay. So little problems with grid, and that's all. Grid is quite okay, but I'll make this try to align these elements better because text is just somehow dropped out. But it's nice. We have quite a clean charts, beautiful, thank you. So, and you worked with formatting. This one, okay. You know, these marks are kind of interesting, but they could clutter your diagram too. So when you're using it, think about, because you have two lines here with markers, maybe it's too much, but it looks quite okay. But if you have more data, it may be a problem because you already have text here with some overlapping. Okay, beautiful clean bar charts, nice. I hope you're okay with color formatting. And a nice grid, thank you. Maybe I'll think about padding here because now looks like profit is for this element, not for this, because this bar chart is so far away from this text. So the Gestalt rule of closeness, the close elements, they are grouping together. So now we have this group, not this. It's a little moment. I just searching for some interesting issues to show you all what to make with them. Quite nice. If you have such a problem near text, that means that your text block is too narrow, and this is a scrolling bar. Just make your text block a little bigger and it will disappear. Okay, quite nice charts. Beautiful code formatting. Think about such a big numbers. Maybe you could show millions here. And here too. I think it's quite a nice with grid, but I'll a little align. Maybe I'll make this card a little bigger, so it will align better with these text elements. So quite nice, clean elements, great. The same text issue, nice, great clean diagrams. I'll remove this text because it's repetition here, the same. You could make this digit more beautiful, this one too. Because too much digits is hard to read, hard to understand. So use K, M, or use a little padding between digits. Subcategory. This one is clean. About grid, little problem here, but it's quite nice. Grid is okay somehow. Beautiful charts without clutter. So quite nice. Great. This one again, interesting filter. There are many filter types. It's quite interesting to work with them. Okay, interesting grid, but it looks quite nice. Nice, clean diagram. Maybe I'll change the format of these digits, not million, maybe thousands, because it's hard to understand what's going on here. Maybe add data labels, but it's quite okay. Just hard to understand. I think we need data label here, yes. This one quite nice, nice. By state, why not? So it's okay. Let's go for the last one. I didn't touch him on lection, so let's check this project. Nice cards. Maybe it will be better to make them little, make them little, because now they get like third of dashboard. Too much for one digit. We don't have context here. It's better to add some color formatted little KPI card with calculation with change. I'm not sure you made color formatting here, but maybe you've done it. It's okay. Oh, beautiful chart. Nice grid, maybe a little zigzag here. And clean, nice, without clutter. Beautiful. Okay. Think about these bright colors. It's too much. You use this for titles. Here they are green and here they are black. It's better to have a similar formatting for similar elements. It's titles of diagram. They must all be the same. Same size of type, same color of type. So it's better to use just black if you use black here and here. So it's because this color is too bright. It's hard to read on the gray background, especially. It's quite nice with color formatting, nice cards, quite a clean diagrams, great. Maybe I'll recommend not to use diagonal text and think about thousands instead of millions. Great. About grid, it's okay, I think. Let's go to the next one. Grid is okay. I just love to draw. Nice KPI cards with nice change. Okay, clean diagrams, thank you. Maybe I'll make padding here a little bigger because of Gestalt, rules of closeness. They are gluing together because this padding is too big. It's quite nice. You use color formatting. Nice. Okay, I think you use everyday data. You could aggregate it by month. It will be more, I don't know, it will be better, I think, but why not? You could use this too. You don't have title of your dashboard. It's a big mistake. Okay, about nice, but you could make this text later. You could make some grouping for these elements. Little fade background color is okay because it helps us to grouping the elements. It's a as a Gestalt principle, grouping by color or by bordering around. But it's quite nice. I think there are problems with alignment of these cards, but it's not a big deal. Charts. I think it's better to remove such a big and long text because it's repeating in the title. Same here, repeating. It's better to show data labels, especially on bar chart where we have many space. Same here, doubling. We have data labels here. Maybe 1,000 will work better. It's repeating of title. And if you add data labels here, we could remove this text too. Same here. So you could make it more clear, but about the grid, it's quite a zigzag-ish. Think about, but it's nice. It has nice rows, but with columns we have some problems. Sometimes we need to break these rules, but if you can, it's better to make it symmetric because we have quite a big amount of space here, so we don't need to make narrow dashboard. Add a little space, it's quite a nice. Oh, this one is nice, beautiful dashboard. It's okay with color formatting, beautiful charts without clutter. Nice. Maybe it's about closeness again. It's gluing to KPI card. KPI card was so big. It's you could just make them more narrow and add more paddings between diagrams because here is narrow and it's narrow place. So, but it's quite beautiful. That's all. I hope it will be useful, and I'll send you all marks for this work and with the price too. So see you.